In this video, you are going to see how you can use the method of differential to approximate sine of 29 degrees and the cos of 59 degrees. So we let x to be equal to 30 degrees, small change in y, negative 1 degrees, y 60 degrees, and a small change in x, negative 1 degrees. Then we let the function to be, we let our function, which is function of x and y, to be sine of x and the cos of y. Then from this function, we obtain the partial of f with respect to x and the partial of f with respect to y as follows. So when we differentiate this partially, we own the function with y constant. We differentiate sine with respect to x, which is cos x multiplied by cos y. When we differentiate this function with respect to y, we own sine of x constant, which is here. Differentiating cos y is negative sine y, so that is why we have negative here. The next thing, we want to substitute the values of x so that we see what we are going to have. The value of x is 30 degrees, so cos of 30 degrees will be root 3 over 2, and the cos of 60 degrees will be a half. So root 3 multiplied by a half will be root 3 over 4, as indicated here. Then we come here, sine of 30 degrees is half, and the sine of 60 degrees is root 3 over 2. So half times root 3 over 2 is root 3 over 4. So that is what we shall have. Then we write the formula for the partial derivative as follows. So this is the formula for the partial derivative: f of x plus change in x, y plus small change in y, which is equal to function of f of x, y, plus partial of f with respect to x, small change in x, plus partial of f of y with respect to y. Now, up there, we have all these functions. So what we are going to do is simply to substitute and to obtain our result as follows. Above there, to simplify this part within degree, we are going to substitute it with the fact that pi is equal to 180 degrees, meaning that 1 degree is equal to pi over 180. Now, and the sine of that is half, cos of 60 is also half. So we substitute here and we obtain our result as follows. Remember, this is the value of partial of f with respect to x, and this is the value of partial of f with respect to y. So half times the half will be 1 over 4. This part here will reduce to 0. So sine of 29 degrees multiplied by cos of 59 degrees is equal to a quarter, which you can write in terms of decimal places as 0.25, which is the approximate value.